I really love these kind of places. They really excite me. You know, every single piece of the puzzle that makes up a car is here, you know. All you need to do is put the pieces together.
Shop has 487
Robots.
robots.
It's like a dance. It's like a dance.
Yes.
All of these machines are dancing together in perfect harmony. Every single movement here, every single moment of these robots' process is calculated to maximize the amount of time the part stays in its position, to maximize the amount of time it takes to move to the next position. It's incredible. The whole thing is amazing. For some strange reason, I thought that automotive factories were linear, like a very long line.
That's what I thought.
Right.
Yeah.
But this factory it's like an S almost, you know? I mean, okay, so you start with raw components that way, and as they go up and down, they're becoming more complete, and then the finished cars come out that side? It's just interesting. Sometimes when you're looking at assembly lines and you get farther into it, you start to forget the raw material. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because we're looking at doors and hoods and car chassis, but like
Everything just comes up
just
so
flat.
fast. Yeah.
It's just flat steel, flat aluminum, you know? And it turns into a car you can drive away. It's pretty interesting. When I was younger, I used to love watching assembly lines, TV shows. You know?
I see.
Oh, I couldn't get enough of it.
In this factory, we only use half of our ability to do the production.
Okay.
So if we got more orders,
You're prepared to do more.
the speed to produce or assembling a car, which can be like twice faster as now.
Okay. So you could really, crank it up if you wanted to.
Yeah.
So this area over here is laser measuring. So it comes down the line, and at this point in time, they use lasers to make sure that all the I's are dotted, all the T's are crossed, and everything is to the appropriate dimension. And then if not, they shoot it out of the building. Rejected. And it lands about 1.5 miles down the way in a river. No, none of that doesn't happen, but you know.
Oh, I
The pace.
Yeah, where you should be now.
Yeah.
Yes, you've got plans where you should be, and the actual number.
Yeah.
Those three numbers at the top.
So the plan is 370. We are at the 199. and 208?
No.
No.
The total for the day should be 370.
370.
Where they should be at this point in the day is
199, and they're doing better.
Better. Yeah.
So they're 10 over normal.
Yeah.
Jayo. Sometimes it's motivating to see that number in front of you. I'll tell you what, one thing about this factory, ooh boy, it is clean. You could eat off these floors. My dad in Detroit, he worked as a bus mechanic for the transit system in Detroit. Oh boy, those factories were dirty. You did not want to eat off those floors. But they were dealing with a lot more older machines. These are brand new machines. I guess it's easier to keep things clean when they're brand new off the line. I always love the smell of diesel fuel. I got that from my dad. It reminds me of the factory he used to work at.